Welcome to ThinkTree Maths. Today's lesson is on invisible zeros. Zeros can be sneaky. Even when you don't see them, they are still helping numbers keep their value and place. Let's find out where those invisible zeros are hiding. In the first example of 7, it is understood to have a chain of zeros to the left. These are just placeholders in the place values before the digit 7. We know 7 is 7 units or 7 ones. To the left of 7 ones are the tens, hundreds, thousands, etc., as we have covered previously when we did place values. So these zeros are holding the place of these place values, but we do not need to write them. Also, after 7, it's understood that there is a chain of zeros provided they are written after a decimal point is put in place. Because if you leave out the decimal place, the 7 will change its value from 7 to 700,000. So it's important to remember that after the number, the whole number, you need to put zeros. The decimal point has got to be put in place. Again, these zeros after the decimal point are holding place values that come after the decimal point. That is the tens, the hundreds, and the thousands. These are the fractions. However, 7 will simply be written as 7 without the extra baggage of zeros. The same for 18.5. The extra zeros it's understood they exist, but we do not need to write them. Keep growing your maths mind. Subscribe to ThinkTree Maths for more learning nuggets.